Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel we do product reviews and also some tutorials. So today I want to show you guys yet another cooking video. So I have this Maple Leaf Farm 6-pound duck. I got it from my local grocery store. It's about $20-something. I want to show you guys exactly how I cook this in my power air fryer. So the first thing you want to do is obviously defrost it. And once it's defrosted, you want to take all of the innards out. I have a great video on how you can make scrambled egg with duck heart and liver. Hey, I'm going to leave that in the description of the video. I recommend that you watch that. I go straight beast mode on it. Now, after I have everything out, I wash my duck and then I proceed to cut away the excess skin. That's very, very important, guys. You don't want to just have loose skin hanging or whatever. And for most people, the skin is not really, let me say, their particular best attribute of the duck, but I'm going to show you exactly how you can roast this duck and eat the skin. So let's just go ahead and get everything ready. Our seasoning, I got some Jamaican jerk, some salt, some pepper, 4 teaspoons of Jamaican jerk, and 3 teaspoons of salt, 3 teaspoons of black pepper. Let me just cut off this loose skin right here. Alright, now that I have this off, we're good to go. Now, ducks have a lot of fat underneath the skin. So if you're going to roast it, you want to make sure that you perk it or cut little slits into the skin. That gives the fat underneath the skin the outlet to drain out. Please be careful if you're doing this in a regular oven. If you cut into the skin too deep, guys, it's going to dry out. But since I'm doing it in a power air fryer oven, I have no worries because everything I cook in there is pretty juicy. It just, I don't know what it is. It's the magic of keeping the juice inside of there. And you can see I'm making the little slits like this, and then I come again from another angle, diagonal, just making sure that all of that grease have a place to go. And that's very, very important if you're going to eat the skin using this method, because we're barbecuing it. Now I want to go ahead and put all of my seasoning on there. I want to just rub it nice and good, like I'm rubbing down a nice slab of rib, guys. I want to get the seasoning in the inside, on the outside, underneath the wings. I mean, just caress the duck. Let the duck know that you love it. Show the duck some love, man. There you go. Just put that sprinkle all on it. You want to make sure that you do this very, very thoroughly, guys, because seasoning is important. All right, now I'm got the seasoning in the inside of the cavity, and here's the secret. Are you ready? You ready for my secret? My secret is, guys, a 1 gallon Ziploc bag. That's my secret. 1 gallon Ziploc bag. Let me show you how I use it. Open up the bag, put the duck in for 24 hours. It's not rocket science, man. You just simply season it well, guys. Let it marinate overnight. I put it in the Ziploc bag. It really holds all that seasoning together. I just feel like it just speed up the marinating process, in my opinion. I think this is the way you do it. Now, we had the duck marinating for 24 hours. Look, you really can do it for 2 hours if you want. And now we're ready to take the duck out, and you can see, man, look at that. This duck is smelling good already, people. And I'm just gonna take my my skewers that came with my power air fryer oven. I want to go ahead and tie up my bird. You can see I use, some people use kitchen string. This duck is a bit big, so I use some little wires for cooking. I don't know the exact name of the wires, guys, but I use the wires. And go ahead, put the skewer through the bird. Got everything set up, and I'm ready to put it in my power air fryer oven. Now look at that bird. You can't tell me that bird don't look good, people. All right, so we set up. I got it in the oven. I'm ready to go. Now, this is what I recommend you do, people. Go ahead and set your power air fryer oven to 50 minutes and about 400 degrees. Once you have that set, you want to let that cook out, and after it finished like this is how your bird is going to look. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some barbecue sauce on there. I don't do the orange package too often. I like to just, I'm from Louisiana, man. Put that barbecue sauce on there, that hickory sweet smoke on there, man. And just, I mean, like you barbecue anything, just make sure you get the barbecue all on it. Now, I found out that this wasn't the best way to do it. I eventually had to take it out and get it all over there, then put it back in there, and boom, put it back on for another 15 minutes, and this is how it's going to come out. 15 minutes at 400 degrees, and guess what? You're not going to dry the bird out. The bird is going to be perfectly fine. Let me cut into this bird and show you exactly what I mean. So in just over an hour, man, you have a whole roasted or barbecue duck. Look at that leg. Look how good that is, man. Now, you remember what I was saying about cutting into the bird, how you can dry it out? Now, the driest part of a bird would be the breast, but let me show you, using the power air fryer oven, let me show you how juicy this breast is, man. Cut into this breast, and I'm going to show you exactly how mouth-watering it is. Look at that. You hungry now, huh? Look at it. Ooh, look how it cooked. Cooked perfectly, man. Look at that. Ooh, got that little fat, that little meat. It's just a perfect match. And as you can tell, I have my skin on there because I cook it just right. Oh, that's so good, man. Look at that. Boy. All of the flavors, that barbecue taking it to another level, and since we marinated the bird, it's really infused with all of those seasoning, salt and pepper, Jamaican jerk. It just take it to a whole another level. And like I said, the skin, a lot of people don't like the skin on a duck because they find that it's too greasy, it's too tough. But when you cook it in a power air fryer oven, and when you allow the skin to escape, hey, that skin is good, man. It got a nice little crisp on there. There's not a lot of fat on there. You can basically just pull it apart with your fingers, as I'm attempting to do there. So yeah, man, there you have it. Power air fryer oven rotisserie chicken, barbecue chicken, however you want to say it. It's good, people. Go ahead and try the recipe out. Hey, it's your boy taking a bath. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. You wanted it, you got. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.